Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Brown New Historicals. I hope you all are fit and fine. Alhamdulillah, I am well by the grace of Almighty Creator. So right now I will describe a place for my practice in English. So right now I'm sitting beside the canal. As you can see, it's a good canal and the surrounding circumstances is totally amazing, as you can see. And I'm just sitting on the grass, and I'm trying to relaxing, and I'm trying to give so many thing like a peaceful nature in the from this place by this place. And I have my friends, we are sitting together. So nowadays, if you want to learn English more easily, more comfortably, first of all you have to open your mouth. There don't has any alternative way, doesn't has any alternative way to learn English, speaking English. Learning English, learning English will make you more comfortable, to make a conversation with another people. And speaking English will make you gentleman, right? So for this reason we have to learn English anyhow, any cost. And nowadays if you look on our Bangladeshi students or guys, actually after corona people are curious to learn English, curious to speak English, and thousand people they're learning how to get a good band score, band's IELTS score, and how to speak properly, proper way to learn, proper way, and how to make a conversation with another people, with another guy. So for this reason, and nowadays also we are keen to learn um, freelancing, right? So freelancing is a part of English. I can actually is it's my it's for my side actually, because without English how is it possible to make a conversation with another foreigner? And you know that on this platform, on this freelancing, that means there are so many site are available, like a Fiverr or something like that. So if you would like to earn money, earn a dollar, first of all you have to make a conversation with another people, like foreigner, right? So when you will make understand them, and they will give you a they will give you a money, they will give you a dollar. And working their uh, after working their tasks. So for this reason we have to learn English anyhow, any cost. Okay, so as you can see, I think you will not able to see this. There are so many massy, and they are floating on the water. And the canal actually is really amazing. What can I say? Actually, I don't have any word to explain this place, right? And there are so many fan plants are available. So there's a thing. And also if I show you my behind side, and also he's my friend. And also as you can see, this canal actually, the canal turn left. So there are so many things are available, and there is a natural beauty, I can say. And you know that those are living in those are living in villages, they are just used to getting this type of environment. And those who are living uh, another side, actually they are not able to. And if they want to get this type of environment, they will not able to get easily. So that's the thing. And nowadays if you would like to learn English highly and continuously, follow my YouTube channel, and I will give you how to make you a good man, how to make you a good fluent speaker within a very short time. And I have decided that I will post so many videos from my audience, so that they will make their self better. So the normal today I don't make it longer. If you If you will get another or so many videos, subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.